The top things to see and do in Camps Bay, Cape Town. Camps Bay is without a doubt Cape Town's premier beach. Located in an upmarket suburb of this South African city, the beach here is as spectacular as it is as popular. The palm-fringed stretch of white sand that make up Camps Bay sits between the towering Lion's Head and equally imposing 12 Apostles. This is the Atlantic coast. The ocean here is both beautiful and powerful, sparkling and turquoise, often with strong waves. Camps Bay is a great family beach and has consistently awarded the Covenant Blue Flag Award over the past years. People visit Camps Bay as much for the chic beach life and its natural splendor. This is where celebrities come to hang out with their beautiful beach bodies, play volleyball. This is pretty much a staple for the bronze and the buff beachgoers. If you prefer to keep your clothes on or off, that's up to you. There are plenty of trendy cafes and bars along the Victoria Road, the main drag that runs behind the beach. Best known of these is the Caprice Bar, ideal if you want to spot a rock star or a supermodel. You can swim in the Tidal Pool, tucked away in the southern reaches of the Camps Bay, in a large tidal pool that many don't know about. It is also an ideal spot in which you can freshen up if swimming and the waves are too icy. It's not as cold as the Camps Bay beach, and sort of an habituated way of life for the seasoned Camps Bay residents. Spend a day at the beach. The main reason most people visit Camps Bay is, unsurprisingly, for the beach. Although, during the height of summer, this is often crowded. It is one of the city's most picturesque beaches. The backdrop of the 12 Apostles is iconic. It's a short walk from the variety of trendy establishments, and the soft sand and icy water makes for a great midsummer vacation. There's also an umbrella, deck, rentals nearby, and a supermarket across the road, making this one of the most scenic beaches in the country. Traffic will definitely be heavy on the weekends, but put that aside, and is the most convenient beaches for first-time visitors to the city. Hey guys, please do remember to like, subscribe, and share. I'm Bianca, and I'll see you in our next video.